I just want a rough neck on the tongue. You just want to send me automatic with a drop. Ask me if I'm finished now. That just begun. I ain't giving out no to no, just for fun. No, you don't. Run a man. I don't know no other man. Run it up. Like 100 just for.
Good morning, y'all. Today is Friday. Passport appointment today. So we gotta fix this head of ours. Yesterday we almost chopped our thumb off. We love that. New set will be linked down below. Love them. I literally just woke up, for real. It's 7:53 a.m. During Amazon Prime Day, we ordered a very small amount of things for the house. Just because I wasn't prepared this year. I got a lot going on. But next year, we'll be on it. I keep saying, I'm sorry. But we got a passport appointment this morning. We're chilling out this weekend because for the next 3 weekends, we have plans. So we're going to take this opportunity to sit the hell down. But I do want to make a cake. I saw this cake on YouTube Shorts. I'll link the cake idea down below. Y'all know I'm trying to get into baking. And this is my chance to make like a decorative cake. Like something, you know, actually like really decorated. If I can master this, after this, my next idea is to start making multiple tiers. So we're gonna start stacking it up. So we're gonna have to make a trip to Michael's soon. We love that. But I want to do this. I'm excited. The cake looked really cool. So yeah. Got a little work to do this morning, so we'll do that. But we need to make some breakfast because I am hungry, so we'll do that too. What am I gonna eat for breakfast? I could eat cereal, but I need to get rid of this bread. So I'm really thinking French toast, especially if I'm gonna go to the. Do I need to go to the store? I do, because I need butter. So yeah, especially if I'm gonna go to the store. I've been updating my grocery list as I go. Trying to keep it as minimal as possible. But I'm also trying to fill up my deep freezer. But like I said, my main goal for right now is to like change the house up. Because right now, all of our finishes are silver. I want to change them. And I'll show you what I'm going to change them to as we change them. But I'm excited. The links below are associate links. So if you don't want me to get paid, make sure you go search for yourself. But if you love me, you want me to get paid. So help you girl out. But I am going to get up. I'll bring y'all down with me as I decide what we eat for breakfast. And peace. What's up, y'all? It's later in the day. It's like, I don't know, like 12, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We are back home. Ran to the grocery store real quick to get a little something for dinner because my double mint twins don't eat oxtails. So you gotta feed them too. But I love oxtails, so I had to make me some. But ran to the grocery store because I also want to try out this cake design that I saw. So we're gonna give that a try too. Probably tomorrow or something. But yeah, we're chilling. About to go in the house, take these groceries in. Did all of the work that we needed to do today. We knocked that out early this morning. It was so hot out here, y'all. Georgia is trying to burn people alive, honey. But we're gonna survive. We're gonna survive. I'm gonna get back with y'all because I'm trying to grab all these groceries. And yesterday I basically chopped off my thumb, so I'm struggling right now. Like, and nobody's home but me. So yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Luckily, my front door will allow me to unlock it remotely, because I would die right now if I had to pull my key out and unlock my front door. Oh, it feels so good in this house, Lord. So we dropped this off, and then I'm going upstairs to sit my tail down for a second. Probably do a little straightening up. I wanted to wash my hair this weekend, but I don't know, because after I chopped my thumb off, how am I supposed to wash my hair? Let's put this stuff up real quick, y'all. Real quick. Oh, and I gotta use the bathroom. Of course I do. This is the turkey bacon that I got. This is the kind I like, the uncured kind. Can you see it? Uncured turkey bacon. Best kind is thick, it's flavorful. You get a little bit of grease in the pan, you know what I'm saying? Just enough, so yeah. And then I could not find Scotch bonnet peppers. I was losing my mind. So I just went ahead and got a sauce. Because I'm tired of my Jamaican dishes not being what they're supposed to be, because your girl don't have my Scotch bonnet peppers. So, picked up some sauce for that. I also picked up some adobo peppers. I'm sorry, chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. And some more butter beans, because I love butter beans. I made that smoked cheese dip yesterday. So I got this because I could make some nachos, and then I'm also making tacos for dinner, like I said, for my husband and my daughter. So, yeah. And then, like I said, in the car, I got some unsalted butter because I would like to make this cake design that I saw. I have some fresh peppers and onions. Oh, actually, I used all the rest of my onion. Oh, no, we got another half. I used all my onion up yesterday. We got one more half of that. Here's all my eggs. And then this ground turkey. Alright. Let's put this in the refrigerator. There's no car refrigerator yelling at me. It's going down because I left it open. But nobody really cares. Oh, we gotta put the eggs up. Hold up, y'all. I was be like, that's it. Yep. Just grab our egg thing away. I freaking love this egg container. It's just so easy to refill. Can y'all see? So I'll let y'all see it easy. I used to spend the most on getting those brown eggs, but now since I've started baking and I'm using eggs more often, especially like on my cakes and stuff, I was like, yep, that's not a thing anymore. I'm not doing that. So, yeah. Now I have 2 extra eggs that are gonna fit. It's okay. My daughter wanted to go outside and play in the front yard. We bought like this little sprinkler system thing. She wanted to do that. I might let her do that today. She might have to hold off until tomorrow. I don't know. I'm just over it. Very much so. Yeah, gotta dip. So the only thing I really gotta make today is this taco meat over here. Everything else is already made, so I'm chilling. I don't have no tomatoes. I didn't get none. I probably should have. Let me check my work computer, see if anything has happened new here. Nope.
Okie dokie. So the other day, playing from light years, done any butterfly cakes? And I was like, surely I've done butterfly cakes before, right? Well, I went through my entire back catalogue and...
Okay. There, we'll do that. I was doing work stuff, sorry y'all. But right now there's nothing going on, so I will more likely get back with y'all folks. Don't mind my office being a mess, mind your business. I'll probably get back with y'all folks either tomorrow or the next day or the fucking next day, because I don't have anything going on. Not this weekend. Next weekend, what is next weekend? Next weekend, we're supposed to be going to dinner with Wit. The weekend after that, my best friend is coming to town. And then the weekend after that, we're going to Florida. So, lots of fun things to do. So, peace, y'all. And y'all see this? So, like, y'all know that thing that's viral, that chop your vegetables. Everybody got one, you just, psh, and they chop them up into, like, little cubes or bigger cubes. Or you can slice with it, whatever. So, me being an idiot, I had frozen, and I was trying to, like, beat it through, but it wasn't going through. So, like an idiot, I'm like, oh, I could just push it through. And I go and start pushing it, and then it starts to slide, and so does my finger onto the grater, and it starts to separate my skin. And now, yeah. So, like, the bendy part of my finger legit has, like, a little grade, a little square in it, because I almost grated my finger. We love that for me. All right, y'all, what's up? So we're back. We're in the bathroom, and we are removing the old knobs and putting on the new knobs. We got baby on the track. He already took off one. We don't have enough to do all 8. We got 5. So, we're just going to do the top row. And then we'll do the doors once I get another order in. Like that. I don't know if y'all ever seen that TikTok hack. But I'm thinking about doing that for the closet. Because thousands of dollars on an organizer is crazy. But y'all let me know what y'all think. If anybody has tried the TikTok hack. How is it working? How's that going? Alright guys, so I tried my hand at this rainbow cake. It's not perfect. I didn't make enough white icing like at all, and then I didn't make enough pink icing, so at the top you have orange mixed in on the sides and stuff. But I tried my best. I like these clouds better than these ones. I was just trying out different stuff on the clouds. I like these better, so next time I'll probably do my clouds like that. Or there's another tip that's kind of like a big poop or poof. I might try that one. I think that's what she used in the video. But here is my rainbow cake.
You set me up on the counter. That you got skin to skin on my bed. Don't you stop.
is Friday. It's another week from the last time y'all saw me. We're chilling. I am in bed. Just watching other vlogs. We didn't have anything really planned last week. We got some plans on Saturday. So we'll make this like a weekend vlog. But I'm really excited about our plans. We're going to like one of those TikTok places that we found, so that should be cute and fun. You saw we went to another one, Fade to Faucet, at the beginning of the month, so we outside, we're having a little fun. Yesterday, Madison got her hair done, so I'll insert some clips from that, but I didn't really record that because we were just chilling and working. So I'll get back with you guys when I have some more going on. What's up, y'all? I am terrible with this vlogging mess. I'm trying my hardest. It's still Friday. I just talked to y'all this morning. Y'all see my pimple patch. I just got some stuff in the mail. So we're changing the knobs. I showed y'all that in a previous day or so. We're changing the knobs. I need to clean that. We're changing the knobs from silver. Here's what they were. From silver to gold. And we're planning to change like a lot of like fixes in the house from silver to gold. So we got more knobs in because we only have 5. So we got some more knobs in. And then I just got these gold hooks that I have to figure out exactly where I want to put them. Y'all see, I don't be playing with these lights. Like, we have one really bright light, and then those are the ones that came with the house. When they go out, then I'll change it. Is that a pimple? My face is atrocious. Oh, my God. Anyway. I'm chilling right now. It's probably, I think it's still morning time. I need to work out. I need to clean up because I love to clean up on Fridays. That way all weekend I'm just relaxing, chilling, nothing to worry about. So I'll probably do that, start cleaning, maybe do like a time lapse of that or something. And then other than that, it's not really much going on, y'all, really. So I'll probably get back with y'all later. Hey y'all, transformation in progress. We're stepping out with Wit, going to one of those little TikTok restaurants. I think I told y'all that either earlier this morning or yesterday. But yeah, we're going to one of those little TikTok places. Babe installed our new knobs. I'm gonna squat down so y'all can see. They look so nice. I freaking love them. So that's like what we're doing, like all over the house, slowly but surely, like even in there, like how everything's silver, it'll be gold eventually. But right now I need to keep getting ready because I know me, I'll end up way behind. So peace.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Made that. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing 60 slides in both ears. Dice falling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the dollar in my shorty bag. No, she wasn't around when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. She been coming, you a rider.
What's up, y'all? We just finished. My shoe coming off. Dinner with Wit, and my shoe is coming off, but it's okay. We're at the car. It was nice. Excuse my angles right now. It was nice. It was really cool. I enjoyed it. Next time though, y'all, I will Uber. I will Uber my little ass off. I will not drive here again. Yep. Nope. But we're headed home, so I'll get back with you guys once I get home. It's so hot outside. I'm dying. Bye, y'all.